Do you want to know how you can add files in Fliki? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can upload or add Fliki files and edit it. So go ahead and open the Chrome OS browser and then go to fliki.ai. Log into your account and click this simple tools. Now you can see the option of upload where you can drop your video file, or you can go ahead and click upload, locate your file, and then it will be uploaded. You should note that the file size should be 30 MB or less. Only then you can work on it. So all you need to do is go ahead and open fliki.ai, click on the settings or the screwdriver image and click upload, and upload a video file which is less than 30 minutes or 10 minutes or 30 MB. This way you can edit your video files easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.